All right. The time is now 6:30 a.m. As you can see, the phone is at 100% battery life. Taking the phone off the charger now. Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here. Today I'm going to be doing one of my all-day battery drain tests with the brand new OnePlus 11. And if you're new to the channel, so basically the way this works is I'll be using this phone all throughout the day, and then every so many hours I'll be updating you guys, letting you know what my usage has been like during those few hours, what my screen on time is, and what my battery percentage is at that time as well. And I gotta say, so far battery life has been amazing with this phone right here. But today I'm actually going to kind of go into detail and show you what my usage is like. Now, keep in mind that, battery life isn't going to be the same for everyone because, everybody's usage is different. Your usage might not be the same as mine, but this is just to kind of give you an idea of how good or bad the battery is on this device. But I can definitely say that battery life on this phone right here has been amazing. But it is currently 8:39 a.m. Took the phone off the charger this morning at 6:30 a.m. I believe. So it's been a little over 2 hours since I've taken this device off the charger. Let's go and go into my battery settings and see what my usage has been so far over these past 2 hours and what our battery percentage is, which is crazy. It's still at 100%, but you'll see right now. All right, so as you can see, the time is now 8:40 a.m., so just a little over 2 hours since we've taken this phone off of the charger. And look at that battery percentage, 100% battery still left even after about 2 hours since this phone's been off the charger. So let's go ahead and go into the battery settings here. So the way this works is it's going to give me a full graph for the past 24 hours, but I don't want the past 24 hours. I just want since I've taken this phone off the charger. But if we look right here, it says screen on since last charge. So this is going to be an accurate screen on time since the phone was actually taken off the charger. So I've used the phone for about 2 hours and 10 minutes. Well, used since last charge, but my actual screen on time is 1 hour and 6 minutes. So 1 hour and 6 minutes of screen on time already, and we're still at 100% battery life. That is crazy. Now, if I click on battery usage by app, and then I go up here to the graph, now I can click this section. There we go, 5 to 9 a.m. And then it'll give me the app usage during that time right there. So it's no longer the last 24 hours. It's just from the time from when the phone was actually taken off the charger to now. And as you can see, this has pretty much been my usage so far this morning. YouTube, 3.64%. We got System Launcher, Messages, YouTube Studio, Twitter, Google Play Services, and a little bit of Gmail. So as you can see, my usage this morning hasn't been too crazy. YouTube took up most of my time so far, but throughout the day, I'm going to try to really heavily use this device to really see if we can get the battery to die down to 0 before late tonight. I don't know, we're gonna see, but I'm going to continue using this device throughout the day. I'll be doing a lot of gaming, taking a lot of pictures, videos, and just using the phone a lot overall. So this has been my usage so far. Again, we are at 100% battery life, 8:43 a.m. So I will be updating you guys in another few hours. All right, so I have been doing quite a bit of gaming since the last update. And I gotta say, gaming is very enjoyable on this device. It is very smooth. Okay, I'm not gonna get this guy. I'm too far away. There we go. Oh, I broke him. Playing some Apex Legends right here, mobile, of course. There we go, got him. All right, so I'm not sure if you can tell here on screen how smooth this is. I mean, just moving around like this, very smooth. There we go, got the kill. Very enjoyable. And the cool thing about this gaming mode is, well, playing games on here, is that you have a gaming mode, and then you got this little pull down bar right here, which tells you how many frames per second you're playing at. It allows you to choose from a lower power mode to be playing in a balance mode, or pro gamer mode, which I have it on for the best performance possible. And then you also have a championship mode as well, which is even better. But I currently just have it on the pro gamer mode. And just that alone, I mean, this little thing allows you to do a lot within this. To be able to control stuff within your game, like you can start a screen recording if you really want to. Like maybe you want to post videos up on YouTube and you want to screen record your gameplay, you can do that. Or maybe just keep it for yourself. Touch optimization, quick startup, orientation lock. You got gaming filters, a voice changer, volume settings, game status, GPU settings. So definitely a lot you can do within that little pull down bar right there. But yeah, gaming is just super smooth, very enjoyable on this device, especially because of this all screen experience that we get here. But I'm gonna go ahead and just get out of this game. I'm sorry to my teammates, but gaming definitely very enjoyable on this device right here. But let's go ahead and go into my battery settings here. All right, so going into my battery settings here, first of all, you can see that the time is now 12:06 p.m. We are now at 77% battery life. So still holding on strong with the battery on this device right here. I already have the time set from when I took it off the charger at 6 this morning, or I believe I took it off at 6:30, but either way, it's giving us the usage from then to now, which is 12:06, but it stops at 12. But let's go ahead and take a look at the screen on time. I'm gonna go ahead and go back. 2 hours and 50 minutes of screen on time. So almost 3 hours of screen on time with 77% battery life left. Let's go back to my app usage here. Let's see, let's go back to 6 o'clock there. Okay, look at how much gaming I've been doing. So of course, YouTube is still my top used app, but we got a lot of Apex Legends there. If I click on that, 22 minutes of that. We got Asphalt 9, 22 minutes of that. We got Call of Duty, 18 minutes of that. So definitely did quite a bit of gaming from the last time I updated you guys with these 3 games right here. Very heavy graphic games as well, and they all played so smoothly on this device. I didn't have any really problems with them freezing up or, you know, buffering or getting jitteriness or anything like that. They all played super smooth on this device. And then we have the rest of my usage here: Twitter, some more Gmail, Amazon Shopping, Messages, YouTube Studio to keep up with the comments with you guys, for those of you who comment on the video. And yes, I do answer comments, so if you have anything to say, just say it down in the comment section. Just be nice. Try not to be too mean. Chrome browser, a little bit of the camera, system UI, contacts. So that's pretty much been my usage so far since I've taken this phone off of the charger this morning. Like I said, I did a lot more gaming than anything since the last time I updated you guys. So maybe this next round here, I will probably use the camera a lot more, maybe do some 4K video recording, maybe take a lot more pictures, even do more gaming as well, listen to some music, because, you know, screen on time isn't everything. Yeah, the screen on time is good because that shows us when you're actually using the phone, when the screen is powered on, but that is not the only thing using up battery on this device. We also got to take into account when we're talking on the phone, that uses up battery as well. When we're listening to music, or even when we are watching videos, when the screen is on, there's sound coming out of the speakers, which actually get very loud and sound very good on this device, but there's sound coming out of these speakers that use up battery as well. So we got to take all of that into account, not just screen on time. That is not the only thing draining the battery on this device. Now, I have kept it fair between a Wi-Fi connection and a 5G connection as well. So, you know, because not everybody can stay home and be connected to a Wi-Fi connection all day long, which does help save battery life. But, you know, some people, or a lot of people, go out, they go to work, or maybe they have errands to run, and you're on your mobile carrier data connection, which does use up more battery. So I try to keep it fair and switch in between both a Wi-Fi connection and 5G connection as equally as possible. But again, we are at 76% battery life left. It is 12:09 p.m. Again, I will update you all in another few hours. Okay, so y'all didn't know this, but this whole video is actually being edited as I go on the OnePlus 11. So everything you have watched so far up to this point, yes, it's all been edited on the OnePlus 11, and it has been handling this 4K video editing like a beast. I haven't had any problems yet. And for those of you that don't know, yes, I edit all of my videos on this channel. Literally every single one of my videos on this channel has all been edited on a smartphone. I don't have a computer or laptop, and this is how I do my work. I wanted to see how the OnePlus 11 would handle it, and it's been handling it great so far. But it is now 3:48 p.m., so we are almost about 4 hours later from the last update. We are now at 46% battery life, so still not doing too bad at all. Let's go ahead and go into my battery settings and see what my usage has been like and our screen on time. Okay, so first looking at my usage from the time I took the phone off the charger up to now, as you can see, YouTube is still my most used app. Yes, I do watch a lot of YouTube. Apex Legends still up there as one of my top used apps. Twitter making its way up to the top, because yeah, I do check Twitter a lot. And for those of you who are not following me that do have a Twitter account or Snapchat, I will leave my links down in the description below so you can go and give me a follow. Also got Call of Duty right there, and then there's KindMaster, the app I was telling you about that I used to edit the videos on this device right here, or any phone, KineMaster is the video editing app that I do use. Asphalt 9, I did use a little bit of maps earlier just to see how it would drain the battery on this device. So yeah, I did have a lot of 5G usage on this phone as well because I was out and about. And then I used some Snapchat, as you can see right there. Used the camera for a little bit, did a little bit of 4K video recording, took some photos, got some more Gmail, YouTube Studio, Amazon Shopping, Chrome, Epidemic Sound, just looking for music for the videos that I post here on the channel. Epidemic Sound is where I get all of my music from. And if you're interested in using it, you won't get copyright strike. You can actually get a 30-day free trial and use all the music you want in your videos. And if you decide you don't want to end up paying the subscription, you can cancel when the 30 days is up, and all the music in your previous videos will still be good to use. You will not get copyright strikes. So I always have that link down in the description below. And this is the rest of my usage right here, as you can see. So let's go and see what our screen on time is so far for today. Screen on time since last charge, look at that, 4 hours and 52 minutes. So almost 5 hours of screen on time with 46% battery left. This phone is definitely a powerhouse. If you are a power user, you're always using your phone, and maybe you do a lot of gaming, a lot of social media, a lot of video recording, video editing, listening to music. I mean, this phone has been handling it great so far for me. So if you are a powerhouse user with your smartphone, this phone could possibly be the one for you if you are looking for something with great battery life, and it performs good as well. Very fast, very smooth with that 120 hertz display. And yeah, so let's talk about my settings real quick. I am running that 120 hertz display. So of course I am using dark mode, as you can see here, because yes, that does save battery, and I just like dark mode overall. Let's see, at auto brightness, I do have turned off. Like I said, I have my brightness at about 75%. Maybe I'll turn it up a little bit right there. Let's see, screen color mode, I do have that on brilliant. Use the widest color gamut for brighter color display. Image sharpener is on, video color enhancer is on as well. Bright HDR video mode is turned on as well. Auto screen off is at 10 minutes. The screen resolution is set to the highest resolution. So that is what my display settings are like here. But y'all let me know what you think so far about our screen on time and usage so far, and how much time we have left in the day. Like I said, it is now 3:52 p.m. So I will be catching up with you all again in another few hours. All right, so I'm back, and it's been about 3.5 hours since the last update, but just take a quick look at this beautiful display right here. Watching content on this device has been very enjoyable because of this full screen experience that we get. I mean, yeah, we get that little punch hole camera cut out there at the top left corner of the device, but honestly, it doesn't really even seem to get in the way when watching content like this. The colors just pop, nice and vibrant, looks really crispy, beautiful, beautiful display. And this video that we're watching right here is actually from my 4K video test that I did with this device right here, but looking really, really good. You can't go wrong watching content on this device right here. But let's go ahead and go into our battery settings. But first, look what time it is, 7:36 p.m. So we are finally making our way into the night. We are at 20% battery life, as you can see there. So still 20% battery life left. It's already 7:36 p.m. I'm trying to get this thing to die down to 0 before it gets super, super late, because I ain't trying to go to bed, you know, at 1, 2 a.m. in the morning. So let's hope we can get this phone to die down a little bit faster. So as you can see here, the screen on time is 6 hours and 58 minutes. So just about 7 hours of screen on time, literally 2 minutes away, which we're probably going to get right now, just, you know, going into the battery settings here, because the screen is on. I do have the brightness at full right there, as you can see, and we are on that 5G connection as well. Well, at the moment, oh yeah, actually I am getting a 5G connection right now. I'm not sure why it's not focusing, but yeah, we're getting a 5G connection up there. But let's go ahead and go into the battery app usage. Let's see, there we go. So this is going to give me my usage for the day right here. Of course, YouTube's still up at the top. We got KineMaster, Apex Legends, more Twitter, Call of Duty, Asphalt 9, Snapchat, camera, the Chrome browser, use that a little bit more since the last update. YouTube Studio. I also played a game of PUBG Mobile, so did some more gaming as well. Super smooth gameplay on PUBG Mobile as well, and that did help drain the battery just a little bit more faster than, you know, if I'm not playing a game. I had a little bit of YouTube music going on, Google, and yeah, so this is what my usage has been like today. as you can see here. And like I said, everybody's usage is going to be different. Not everybody's usage is going to be the same as mine, and you know, others might get different results. But the fact that I did this much gaming today and we still have that much screen on time right here with still 20% or now 19% battery life left, I mean, that is pretty impressive. About 7 hours of screen on time with 19% battery life left. And I'm pretty sure I can probably get about 8 hours of screen on time. I'm not really sure, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. So this is where we are at right now. Honestly, I'm impressed. It's lasted me all day, 6:30 in the morning, 7:38 p.m. I'm sure we're gonna get a little bit later into the night, but this was just a quick update, and I will be updating you guys one more time once this phone hits about, I don't know, maybe 3%. I'm not gonna let it die completely down to 0. That way I can be able to show you my final usage and screen on time and what the battery percentage is as well. And then right after this video, I will be doing a full charging test video to show how fast this device charges from 0 to 100%. But again, I will see you all in another few hours. Woo, we did it, we did it. Look at this, 9:53 p.m. Finally got the phone to die down just enough so I can still be able to share what my final screen on time is and final usage. We are now at 3% battery life left. Again, almost 10 o'clock p.m. Took this phone off the charger at 6:30 a.m. Let's go ahead and go into my battery settings and see what we got going on here. So look at this, final screen on time, 8 hours and 21 minutes. That is insane. And honestly, I could probably go a little bit longer with this 3% battery life. You know, it's not like a Samsung device to where once it hits 5%, you know, it just goes down and down and down and dies super quickly. No, when I hit 5%, it took a while for me to get to 3%, as you can see right there. So I can probably still get a little bit of extra usage out of this, but over 15 hours off of the charger. Again, 8 hours and 21 minutes of screen on time. This is definitely an all-day device. If anything, this can probably be a day and a half device, you know, if you're not using it as heavily as I did today. I don't always use my device this heavy. I am a heavy user, but I don't always go super hard like I did today. So I could probably get a day and a half off of this device, or even 2 days if I were to switch the resolution down to 1080p, but still keeping that 120 hertz. I could probably get 2 days out of this device right here. So this is definitely made for power users. Let's go ahead and go into battery usage here. Let me get the timing right there. There we are. And this is what my final usage is like. So as you can see, YouTube's still the top app, KindMaster, because I have been editing this video that you guys are watching on here as I recorded clip by clip. I'll just add it on there and keep editing as the time goes by. Twitter, Apex Legends, Call of Duty, Asphalt 9, a little bit more camera, PUBG Mobile, Snapchat Maps, YouTube Studio, games, Disney Plus. I did watch a little bit of a movie on here for a little bit just to kind of help drain the battery and see how it would handle that. And yeah, this is the rest of my usage. Got a little bit of calculator on there. And I did use my OnePlus Buds Pro 2 as well. As you can see, it says wireless earphones on there just to listen to music, testing those out as well, which I will have a video on those soon. But yeah, this is my final usage for the day. Like I said, we made it almost 10 p.m. 3% battery life left. So definitely an all-day device. Got me through the important part of my day and more. Got me pretty late into the night. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What do you think about the battery life on this device right here, just based off of my usage alone? Like I said, everybody's usage is going to be different. I'm sure not everybody uses their phone as heavily as I did in this video right here, so you will get tons of more battery life than I did in this video. But I am very impressed with the battery life on the OnePlus 11. Beautiful looking device as well. I really liking this color. Yeah, you know, that camera module kind of sticks out right there, but when it comes to the color, very nice. But y'all let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. If you do want to pre-order this device for yourself, I'll have a link down in the description below. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.